because of the voluminous documents that the prosecution needs to be marked, no? My answer to you is yes. In this particular case, ang nagpapatagal ng PTC is the marking of voluminous exhibits. If you will remember, the comment to propose stipulation of facts, counter stipulations, list of witnesses, list of exhibits, even the trial dates, no? Submitted na lahat yan sa impeachment court. Ang natitira na lang ay ang marking of exhibits. And to the question, ano nagpapatagal ng PTC, yes, it is the marking of exhibits that is prolonging the pretrial conference.
Specifically, the common evidence po.
Not only the common evidence, but the totality of evidence that needs to be marked, no? Remember that a huge number of documentary exhibits of the prosecution is listed as well in the list of evidence of the defense, no? So, I presume that kung gaano kadami yung ebidensya ng prosecution, most likely as to documentary exhibits, ganun na rin karami yung sa defense.